What's up, you guys? So, a little update on the Tacoma. Finally got the brake recall done. What's it been? 5 months since we've known about it, or longer, and there was no fix. But yeah, finally got it done the other day. Let's see if you could see if it looks any different for you guys. Hopefully you can see that brake line. Does it look like it was relocated or moved or anything? To me, it's still pretty close to that wheel, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. And yeah, finally done. It took a few hours. The dealership had it. It doesn't really look any different to me how it was. It's very close to the inside of the wheel. Sorry if I don't have a good angle for you guys, but yeah, I don't really get what they did to fix the recall, because it looks the same to me. So if you guys know more about it, let me know. I took the truck in also to get the door rattle fixed, but of course they can't replicate it. But yeah, let me know what you guys experience. Still have that loud door rattle inside the door panel somewhere. It's loose. When under load, it rattles so bad. Maybe I'll clip in a video of it that I have so you can hear it. Or if you guys experience it, let me know and how you fixed it. But yeah, just a little update, and hopefully you guys get your brake line fixed too and the recall taken care of. And let me know your guys' thoughts. Thanks for watching, you guys.